This right here is $100 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade and you can also withdraw from. Yes, so in this video I'll be showing you how to claim $100 no deposit bonus. Yes, so all you just need to do is to download the app, you register, you claim the bonus, and for you to be able to withdraw you have to verify. Yes, so I've been able to claim mine. So once you meet their terms and conditions and you verify, you'll be able to withdraw from it. So I want you also head on to go and claim it. So let's get into the video. I shall show you all the steps. So if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to download the app. Okay, so we're going to click on install. The name of the app is Trendo. So we're installing it. As you can see. Yes, so we'll click on open. Okay, so this is what the app looks like. This is what it looks like, as you can see it. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to log in. So we're going to click on login. Then we'll be registering. If you know that you don't have an account to register, but if you already have an account, you just log in. So we're going to register. Then we'll be inputting our information, our first name, last name, email, password. Then after doing that, you agree to the terms, then you click on register. So let's do that right now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm logged in already. Yeah, I've registered. So let's click on this $100 bonus right here. Yeah, so congratulations, you have received a bonus for trading. As you can see, it's $10. So we're going to click on continue. So let's just help them to do this. Then we'll click on submit. Okay, so we're going to click on this three icon right here. Yes, so as you can see, we have our $100 bonus right here, and we also have the demo account, which is the $10,000 demo, yes, account. So you can pick any one that you want to use, but we'll be making use of the $100. Yes, this is it. Yes, this is the $10,000. Then we also have the $100, the bonus accounts. This is it right here. So you can use anyone to trade. Yes, but we're making use of the $100. So this is the charts right here. This is the charts. So you can trade using any pairs. Yes, so let's talk about the terms and conditions. You can only trade on the site. Yes, we're not making use of MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. We are going to only trade on the site. Yes, and for you to be able to withdraw, you have to verify. Yes, verification is important. And in this bonus account, if users can achieve at least 200% profits each week, they can withdraw their $100 bonus after 1 month. So this means that if they achieve 200% profit each week for 4 weeks, they can withdraw this amount. Yes, so there are no volumes or time restriction on trades. Yes, and the leverage bonus account is 200. Yes, so these are the terms and conditions. So if you know you got this bonus, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.